One of the few mpanyinfo mu di Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no echi in the past few weeks here. Yeah, legend. Yes, Sarfo, the black president, Sarfo Gyamfi, and Odinchirimu Base Kotoko ebe here. A clinical striker or her observation why so far. Now her observation quite many will agree based on observation Kotoko forward no with pre-season ekoso with few games kakra ekoso and I know many will share this opinion as well. Say enimu ho no enhye da nye clinical sa even though say league na nhye ase mi ehun say kew but the Abdul Rahman Abdul Karim na I don't want to conclude early yenhye league na se emi ehun ne ball na nkasa but from training games ne friendly games kakra akoso no amanfo person mo chese na ho keka ewo form enti Kotoko behia a clinical and a robust striker but quite unfortunately league no enyan started by a two transfer window no ebi a ye kodai na ade achi a ye be ba bibie transfer window na ana say ye be extend na so Sarfo Gyamfi call for say Kotoko be sign player bi in the event say Gyamfi fo no be ko akoda na so ne ama madwen say ade ayaya de ye nhye dem ana say ya anye ne ye extended the transfer window no once the league ne shaase ne bia wo forwards no defense ne emfama wa eye nu ntia tembia no transfer window no ye biem to more than 2 weeks even after say league na shaase te say de koso Europe no but kroda de Ghana ye nyanshe league as crowds metum enti Sarfo Gyamfi call it on Kotoko mpanyifo and I know many will share this opinion say Kotoko nya another striker on top 2 Abdul Rahman Abdul Karim and Abet Amoa so ye hunu kakra but yentimi mfa ye range na enhye ne mu based on the ehumi enti with a striker even though say Kotoko transfer window they are close but GFA so they are possible of doing anything omo hu say omo anya ade ni ya meet masa akode abaze ye biem mon sign kakra enka ho but the Sarfo Gyamfi no I feel say yeah, somehow through that's why I me broadcast way na yenyina ya bobo because also enya sharp attack to be real honest also enya sharp even though say midfielders need she goals but attackers no so